on Ed video. So let's start with this one. We got a piece of paper note and write anything on there. So, first we're gonna start off with this Laggy Pals. Yeah, I just like this. And we raise this and boom, 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 boom. And off we go do it. So, let's start with, again, this flyer of trash bags. And so let's open this one and this one the crabs. This one is the hard rubbish. This one is the bin sacks. So this one is the bin critters. So this one is the bin monsters. Then this one is the wall crawler movie trap. Then wash your trash in warm soapy water to keep them clean and sticky. So they're just like fashions, but in a different way. How they work. But they're squishy, but they're fashions and mashems are more squishier than fashions because when somebody reviewed My Little Pony fashions, they were not squishy, but they're stretchy. So I'm gonna get here and open it in this one. First, let's open it this one. Open it this one. Oh, something like that. So, first we got a little ant is driving to my wake. This one is Grot Pot. And let's open up the next one. Okay. This one is Bad Ant. This one is Karate Kennel. This one is a rare, common. They're not rare, only one is rare there. It's Grot Pot, so let's open up this up next so we can change gears. Oh no. Oh. Here. One basket. Two baskets of shoppings. So first I'm going to show you the checklist. It's kind of long. Hold it. The first is the fruit and veg, the pantry, the bakery, sweet treats. So then the dairy, party food, health and beauty, frozen, and of course you are looking for the limited edition. I hope you get one, but it's not gonna come to you because it'll never happen because it's hard to find. Look, they're still common. They're common, but Tina Tuna is the rarest one of them because it's only 500 of them. Yeah. So first, let's start off with this one. It's kind of opening it. We got Miss Mishimil. open up this one. We got Nutty Butter. Nutty Butter is a rare, and Miss Mishimu is a common. Okay, let's check this one. Can I feel it? I think it's Lippy Lips. I'm right. It is Lippy Lips. Zoom in, zoom out, zoom closer, and the finally last one. This one is Rainbow Bite. So this one is a common, rare, common. So let me show you first the basket. It says shotgun. I have two of them right here, and you can show them right here. So I'm ruining my collection. At the end, I'm going to show you all of the characters. Next, we got this one. Voila! We got a ring. Got a Hello Kitty again, but with a purple bow. Matches my. Okay, so let's open up this one. We got a hair scrunchie. It's the biggest one. This one is Hello Kitty tin. We got first Stuart and Dr. Nefario. They each got both stands, so like this. And then let me show you closer the tin. So all we got is that. Let's move the big ones here, so we can see it. Zoom. So that is two Gachamons, but we're not gonna open this. We're gonna give it away. We're not gonna give it away, of course. I have no money. So let's. Oh. We got Sally, the limited editions one. Let's just fix it. Here's the capsule. So let's open up this one for the capsule. We got Francesco. So we got Francesco, a closer look. Then I'm gonna open up 3 eggs today. We're saving it. We're saving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Saving 8 of them. And got a zombie city. So I just changed one. Then we got Ralph Riggs. I hope we get Zombie City. 3, 2, 1. We got Zombie City. We got Zombie City. Where's the other one? Oh, it's right here. We got Pierre Palme and I don't know. So thanks guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye. But I'm gonna show you all the characters that we got. So we got Pierre Palme, John, Ralph Riggs, Bulldog, Miss Micheline, Nutty Butter, Chap, Lippy Lips, Rainbow Bite, Nocturnal Fire, Stuart, Hello Kitty Room, Grot Hot, Bad Ant, Rowdy Kid, Sally, Francesco, here's Scrunchy, and that's it guys. So see you guys next time. Good and